The Cash Flow Planner uses your QuickBooks data to help you plan your future cash flow. Let's go over what this tool does and how to use it to get a complete picture of your cash flow so that you can make informed decisions about spending and bringing money in. Let's start by looking at the tool. Select Reports, then Financial Planning, then Cash Flow Planner. You'll see what your cash flow has looked like in the past over here. This historical view is based on the total cash that has flowed in and out of your connected bank accounts, including your QuickBooks checking account. You can view either your cash balance or your money in and out. You can also change the time period. Over here is where the fun starts. You can see what your cash flow is projected to be in the future. The planner bases this projection on your QuickBooks data, like future invoices, bills, and expenses. So, the more data you have in QuickBooks, the better this projection will be. Down here, you can see all the items that are included in this projection. You'll see any future invoices and expenses that you've already entered into QuickBooks. You can edit any of these items to see what they do to your future cash flow. You can also change your projection by adding a future item, like buying a new truck. Select Add Item. Then enter the date of the item, a description, the amount, and whether it is money coming in or money going out. Once you are finished, select Save. Now you can see that your cash flow projection has changed. If you see an issue like a red dip, make some changes to your future items and get yourself back on track. These items are just for planning purposes and don't affect your books, so feel free to try out lots of scenarios. That's it. Now you can start using your cash flow planner to see where your cash flow is headed.